Hi, everyone. I'm meteorologist Chad Myers for CNN.com. A very cool new graphic here to show basically the two new wells that are being drilled here. The well being here, two little well heads, and then just on the other side is the ship that was collecting the oil. And there you go. Look at this. We're flying you right in there. And then down 5,000 feet to the bottom of the ocean. What we're going down here for is to figure out what is seepage. Where's it coming from? Is it real? Does it really pertain at all to the old well? Well, Admiral Allen a little bit ago did say that at least the one that he thinks that's 3 kilometers away, almost 2 miles away, has nothing to do at all with the well. And then what is seepage? Where does it come from? Well, the crust of the earth is not just one big solid piece of dirt or rock. In fact, there are many, many breaks, many cracks in the crusts of the earth. Hence, we have earthquakes. And some of these cracks could allow this methane gas that builds down here in the oil reservoir to seep up and leak out, and get up into the atmosphere. In fact, go all the way up to the top of the water and leak out into the air. Would you believe 40 million gallons of oil in the Gulf of Mexico leak from these oil reservoirs up to the bottom of the ocean and then into the water every year naturally? Nothing to do with oil well leakage, nothing at all to do about old wells or abandoned wells. 40 million gallons of oil leaks into this Gulf of Mexico every year all by itself and has been doing it for thousands of years. And that's why are these little microbes down here that actually eat some of that oil and get rid of it. But the seepage that we're seeing, is it part of it? Well, we don't know. Is it part of the old well? We don't know. What's the risk here? The risk is that now that they've stopped the oil and the gas from coming out, the pressure is rising. The pressure is rising all the way down, even down to the bottom into this oil reservoir. It's up to 6,811 PSI. Go to Home Depot or Lowe's website and try to find a power washer that's higher than 4,000 PSI. We're almost talking twice that amount. The power that is now inside this well is tremendous. If that breaks, if any part of this well casing all the way down to the bottom will crack or break, then this oil and this gas could leak out, and it really could be a problem. And that's what they're watching for. They're watching for these pressures to possibly go down. If the pressures don't go down, technically there's no leak. We're seeing some bubbles. There's a little bit of natural gas leaking out, methane gas leaking out, but so far so good. Watching it, hoping another 24 hours that this pressure doesn't go down. Obviously, CNN and CNN.com will be on it every step of the way.